Hey guys, welcome back to Funnel Strike. My name is Manu. In this video, we are going to learn about that how we can able to get a custom domain for yourself. Now, why do you need a custom domain? That if you want to start your own business or if you want to start or build your own website, the custom domain is needed. Like the brand, whatever the brand name you have, you will able to go ahead and get a domain with the by that brand name for yourself. So uh, what are the different websites? That there are so many different websites from where you can able to get the custom domain for yourself. Like Hostinger is there, GoDaddy is there, okay, SiteGround is there, and Hero Host is there. There are so many different websites. So let me tell you that which one I personally use. I personally use the Hostinger one, and it is just because it is quite easy to use, and as compared to the other websites, we get the domains, the custom domains, little bit cheaper. I'm not promoting the Hostinger, but this is something that we get the one. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, here we are on my computer screen. I will go ahead and show you over here that how we can able to go ahead and first of all get a customized domain for yourself, like as per our brand, that what's our brand, what's my agency name, and we can able to go ahead and then add that particular domain with our website into our website builder. And one more thing I just want to tell you over here, that hosting the website with the GrooveFunnel will be completely free for you for lifetime. Like, you don't have to pay any single penny for the hosting as well when you are using the GrooveFunnels, okay. And it is not only for the upgraded members. If you are a free member for the GrooveFunnel, then also you will get a free hosting for the lifetime for your 3 websites, absolutely free, okay. You don't have to pay anything for that. So this is one most amazing part, that whenever you go ahead and get a customized domain for yourself, you know very well that it is required of hosting to go ahead and host your website. So let's get started. I'm just going on my computer screen over here, and let's go ahead and check this out how it works. So here you can see that I'm on my computer screen right now, okay. I personally use the Hostinger, okay. So I'm just going to show you with the Hostinger only, okay. So you can see that I have already logged into the Hostinger, but I will do it again for you. So it's already logged in, okay. So what we have to do, we have to go to the domains area to the top over here, if you can see, and we have to click on find domain, okay. You can go ahead and search for your domain. So I'm just going to search for a simple domain name. Let's take it by my name only, Manu Prasad dot. I'm taking cheapest one, because I don't need the domains right now. So you can see that it shows me that it is 75 rupees for an year, this particular domain for me. Like maybe UPI. So here you can see guys that the payment is done, okay. I need to select all these options over here. You need to fill up the form accordingly. Please check it. I'm just going to choose its personal, and these are all my details. Whenever you buy a domain, you need to activate it completely. So that's what I'm doing right now. Here we go. It takes a little bit time to finish the setup, okay. As soon as it will be done, I'm just going to show it on the GrooveFunnels free account, that how we can able to connect it. So let's go ahead and connect this domain with our website. Alright, so I'm just going to open a new tab, and let's go to our GrooveFunnels dashboard over here. You can see this. Now what we have to do on the dashboard, we need to go to the complete right hand side where you can see your profile icon over there. You can, even if you want to add your picture over there, you can do that. under the profile icon you need to go ahead and open my account option. Under the my account option you will see all of your information over there. The last option you will see over there, which is for domains. Need to click on domain, and then we need to select the second block from the options, because we are setting up our custom domain. We are not setting up the subdomain right now. We are setting up the custom domain. I will go ahead and also like create a video for the subdomain separately. So first of all, let's understand the custom domain. It is something that we purchased on our brand's name. So now we have to click on add a domain over here, then click on full domain and next. Now we have to mention our domain name over here. So I'm just going to copy it from here so that I'll not make any mistake. Paste it there and click on next. As soon as you will click on next, it will take a little bit of time and it will show you the DNS records. If you can see this DNS record, we need to add this DNS record. There are two DNS records. We need to copy this DNS record from here and we need to add hostinger name server. Okay, we need to change the name server so that we can able to point that DNS to the groovefunnels server so that it can get connected to each other and start working. So if you can see over here on the hostinger's name server, these are the name server over here which are already given from the hostinger. Whenever we go ahead and create a website using the hostinger's hosting or like WordPress, so this will be the name server which will going to be used from the hostinger itself. But if you are using some third-party website like groovefunnels or any other else website builder, so it will going to provide you name servers which you need to go ahead and add to the domain provider's website list. Okay, so now here you can see this is the name server area. I'm just going to change the name servers, and here I will click on the name change name server. I need to go ahead and delete this name servers from here, and I'm just going to copy this name servers from here and just paste it, and again I will copy the second one and I will paste it over here and just save it. This is the only that work we have to do over here, and it says that name servers changed. Your name server has been changed to this to one, and it might take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name server, but sometime it doesn't take that much of time. It get connected instantly as soon as you go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and check whether it's done or not. So after changing the name server, come back to the groovefunnels dashboard and click on next. When you click on next, it will ask you, it will give you this option that, so let's go ahead and do it right now. Try to do this, whether it will be going to verify like validate or not. Yes, it's done. You can see that the domain added successfully. Now we need to complete the process. Now it is asking here to complete click to verify domain. So let's do that as well. We are clicking to verify the domain. So these are the name server. It is asking us to log into your account with your domain provider and update your name servers to point to the records below. Once it's added, click on the validate button to verify your domain configuration. I believe we have already did that, so let's go ahead and do validate DNS error. Okay, you can see that it shows over here the error request failed. It means that it might be that it's not propagated properly, so it's not giving me the option to do that because we have already changed the name server. We need to wait. So here you can see, guys, that the domain is successfully added with the groovefunnels, and if you can see over here, it says that secure and connected. Like we don't have to add any SSL certificate over there, and we don't have to add any kind of records from our groovefunnel to the hostinger or any service provider from where we are purchasing the domain. Okay, this is just it. We have to add the two name server records to the domain provider, and we have to just wait for a little bit time because it takes a little bit time, depends on the provider, maybe 10-15, or sometime it takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. So if you have any different service provider like Namecheap or Hero Host or anything else. So please wait for a little bit time. Don't get hurry on this because it might take somewhere around an hour of time. In my case, it take 10 to 15 minutes of time. Okay. So now let's go ahead and try to, I'm just going to update this one. Okay. We have to update the page from here, and let's go ahead and try to create a page for ourselves and try to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so here we go. We have three more options to create the sites. The three sites still we have available with us. So I'm just going to create on the new site option over here, and let's create a single page site. Okay, I'm just going to create a single page site. If you can see, these are the templates which you can use, but as this is a free account, so we cannot use these premium templates. Okay, but if you want to create your own template, your own design, you can go ahead and use this blank template which says start from scratch, and there will be no any limitation to use n number of blocks. You can use any of the blocks which are available on the block sections to design your own website as the premium one. Okay, this one, the live webinar opt-in, I'm just going to select this one because this is a free one. We need to give a site name over here, so I'm just going to give the same name, manuprasad.site, and just click on the start building option. As soon as you will click on the start building option, it will take a little bit time and it will go ahead and redirect you to the editing page of the funnel. Okay, so here you can see that it has imported the entire page in front of you, the same like page which was in the like given from the provider, the template, and we don't have to do much work on this. Okay, just the thing is that if you like this template, if you like this page over here, okay, just simply we have to go ahead and change this logo over there. We have to change some descriptions over there, whatever is mentioned over here, you can see that. So let's go ahead and try to publish this website directly. Okay, I'm not going to make any changes on this one because I just wanted to show you that how to get a domain for yourself and how to publish it with the help of groovefunnels. So if you can see over to the left hand to the right hand side top area, there is a publish option. You have to click on that and you will get some of the options over here. So if you can see over this option, select domain type. So we have to select a domain type that we have a custom domain. We have our own domain, that is a custom domain. We need to select that one. Please select your free groove page subdomain or add your main domain. I believe we have already added that, but I don't know why it is asking again. So let me go ahead and check that one. And it's already added over there. It should over there now, by now. Let me go ahead and save this page for once. Now let me go ahead and select the custom domain, and still it says please select your free groove page subdomain or add your main domain before setting up your hosting option by clicking on the manage domain button. It might be like it is also taking some time, like the name server. So let's do one thing, let's wait for a little bit time, and we'll try to do it after like 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so here I have explored something that this particular freemium account is a new account, and we haven't published any of the website by now. Okay, so I tried to publish the site again and again, and I got the same problem while I was trying to looking for my custom domain. So I get the hold of the like support team over there, and they are telling me that I need to add a subdomain. Okay, as the account is new, so we need to add the subdomain. So let's go ahead and do that as well. So I'm just going to add a subdomain over here for our pages. Let's see that I'm just putting manuprasad.groovepages.com and I'm saving this. So let's see whether it will work or not now. And I saved it. Let me update. and let's go ahead and check that out again. I'm going to check, it's showing over there. Okay, so let's go back, check our custom domain over here, and it's showing my custom domain. And add new subdomain, let's add it over here as well, Manu Prasad, and that's it. So this is my subdomain added. Go back and update, and let's try to publish the website now. So let me first refresh the page once, so that whatever the changes we have made, it can come live. Earlier that groove page subdomain option was not coming over there, so we have this custom domain option now, and let's see whether we have our domain option there. Yes, it is now. So manuprasad.site. So after selecting the domain option, as this is our main domain where we have to host our website, so we have to select the location now. So the location will be root always, because that is our main domain. So always remember to select the location as root. One more thing again I just want to mention over here, that please do remember, if you are a new member on the groovefunnel and you are trying to create your own website and trying to host it for the first time, the subdomain is very important. You have to create the subdomain, and after that only your custom domain will going to work at the time of publishing. So now we have already did that. Now we have this publish option under below over there for the website and for the current page. So we are going to publish the entire website right now. So we will go ahead, and you will see there are three options: the publish option, or directly go to the web page, or we have option to go to the clipboard. So first of all we will click on the publish option. Once we will click on the publish option, it will take a little bit of time over there, okay, to publish the website, and then it will show us in the green box to the bottom right hand side corner that the publish, you can see that the site published in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Sometimes it happens that it takes a long time. Now you can see that the URL is also showing for the actual domain name. So what we do, let's go ahead and open the new tab on the Google and try to open Manu Prasad .site, and let's see whether it is working or not. And yep, here we go. So this is done. So this is what we were missing for the new account, because as I'm trying the new account for the first time, and I already had a premium account with the groovefunnels from past 6-7 months. So I was not aware about that, that we need to create the subdomain as well. So here we are done. Like this, you have to go through with all the things, all the step-by-step process, that how you can able to go ahead and create your website on the groovefunnels. So that is it for the day. I am sharing the link for the groovefunnels in the description area, so please go ahead and click on the link, and if you haven't signed up by the now, you can please go ahead and sign up for the free version of the groovefunnels and see for yourself that what benefits they are providing and whether it is good for you or not. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button, please share and subscribe the channel for the upcoming notifications. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.